All right, in these questions, we're going to be graphing inequalities, linear inequalities, using two methods. So the y equals mx plus b method is how we're going to get the initial line. So plus 1 is my y-intercept. 4x means I go up 4 over 1. Cool, I have my line. Now we need to decide where am I going to graph. The cheating method is looking if it's in y equals form and only in this form. You can do a little test. If you go from your line and you go up, whichever area you're in, that's where you're going to shade. That only works with y equals. The other method is to use test points. This is the safer method, and a lot of times test questions will just straight up ask you to use it. So a test point we're going to use is 0, 0. This is almost always the right point to use. The only time you can't use it is when it actually is on the line, which is very rare. So I'm going to sub 0, 0 into my equation and see if it's true. So sub 0, 0. So instead of y is greater than 4x plus 1, I'm going to sub it in and do a left side, right side check. So instead of y, I'm going to put 0. Instead of 4x, I'm going to put 4 times 0 plus 1. So this is still 0. This is 1. And then I want to see 0 is greater than 1. Is that true? Is 0, which is what this side is, greater than 1, which is what this side is? It's false. If it's false, that means wherever the point was, 0, 0, which is there, we do not shade. Don't shade. We're going to shade the other part, whichever side of the graph does not have 0, 0, which using our cheating method, we already found out was over there. You only need to use one of these methods. It's up to you what you want to do. If you're going to do the cheating super fast method, you can only do it in y equals form. If you need to show your steps, you need to use a test point. That's it.